welcome back to a new episode of Timrover RV. This is T-Dub here, and I wanted to show you guys some quick tips. Maybe I'm going to do that for 2017, quick tips on what you can add to your RV. Well, over the winter time, I did find something that was pretty cool. These are 2.1 amps USB chargers here that you can use for inside your RV, because what I was doing last year, I had this 1.1 amp cheesy charger here for my USB connectors for my iPhone and my iPad. It has like a beat symbol on it, but I don't know if that's a beat symbol or not, or if it's legit. But anyway, I decided to try something different. I also bought a 2.1 and a 1.1 amp 12 volt charger for your cigarette lighter. But a lot of RVs doesn't come with these 12 volt adapters as in the new ones, but the old ones come with that. So anyway, I bought something called Sliver Power. It's a 2.1 amp USB connectors here that also has a dual outlets here. So I'm going to try these out, and what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description below where I order these from. You can try them out, because what happens after a while, you tend to lose these here, you forget about them, but these you can kind of leave in your RV year round, and then if you change an RV, you can take them out as needed, because a lot of them have those pop-up USB chargers and 110s, but like I said, a lot of the new ones don't have that. So let's come on back and I'll show you how to install this real quickly as a quick tip. You just basically take it out of the plastic here, and it looks like, you know, kind of cool. It's kind of, you know, that you could, plastic has got some screws on it, one plug for the outlet. So let's see how it works. So basically what I'll do, I'll unplug this here that I use for the exterior lighter, but it's plastic. I'll just plug it in like so, like that, and that's all to it. Then I'll take my other cord here, I'll plug in my exterior lighting that I had earlier, and now I'm back in business again. Now that I got USB 2.1 plugs on the exterior, or in the basement I should say. So now basically what you can do is take your phone, plug it into this connector here, as using my iPhone here. You can plug it into your USB connector on your RV, and you can use this here for another incident inside of the RV. This is T-Dub. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later on the next episode of Timrover RV. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.